Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write with underlined text in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app, and here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just go into a document that we want to edit, and then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then we have actually two options. One is to go into the top row, tap on the letter A with 3 lines next to it, tap on the U, which is underlined, and then just write like this, underlined. Or we can just use this letter U in the quick row and just tap on that and write like this, underline. That's the same thing, and we can just tap on it to turn it off. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.